This is the MOPLAY Smart Drum 3. It's got a ton of features that both professional drummers and beginners, as well as everyone in between, are looking for in a practice drum set. You can take home this amazing setup for about half of the price of other drum kits, but you're not compromising on quality. This drum kit is easy to install and doesn't even take up that much space. At 50 inches by 50 inches for the pad, it takes up about as much room as a small love seat. The MOPLAY Smart Drum Kit consists of high-end mesh pads and drums, actual acoustic drum pedals for precise vibrations, and a noise-balanced sound feature for cymbals. You can also start your drumming lessons with this smart drum kit because of its interactive lesson course, available in 7 languages. It also works with an app compatible with iOS and Android devices. This app works like a rhythm game where you play songs following color-coded cues. Whether for drum lessons or to simply play along with the greatest hits from the Beatles to Maroon 5, you can pick your favorites and keep up with the latest music trends with 10 songs added to the playlist every month. Basically, this smart drum kit is great and affordable if you have limited know-how, space, and budget. It's the perfect drum kit for beginners or people who just want to practice music at their own pace.